Hello guys, if you wanna control multiple teams in the same franchise in Madden 27, you can do that pretty easily. But there is one important thing to keep in mind. This works only in an offline franchise. So first, go into your offline franchise and load up the league you wanna use. Once you are in, open the options menu from the top and then go to user teams. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the option to add a new character. So select that by pressing Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation. From here, you can choose any team you want, including teams that you are not currently controlling. For example, let's say you wanna add the Philadelphia Eagles. Select the Eagles and then you can choose whether you wanna use the existing head coach or create your own coach. Once you have made your selection, start playing with that character and you'll now have the Eagles added as another user controlled team in your franchise. You can repeat this process for other teams as well, so you can have multiple teams under your control in the same franchise. If you wanna change between the teams you have added, simply go back into options, select user teams and choose the team you wanna control. For example, if you wanna switch over to the Buffalo Bills, select the Bills and then choose switch to this character. You'll immediately be controlling that team's character without having to create a completely new franchise. You can do this with all 32 teams, which is especially useful if you are playing locally with a friend or if you wanna manage multiple teams and create your own scenarios. Just remember, this setup is for offline franchises and you can't use this feature to control multiple teams in an online franchise. So that's all you need to do. Add a new character from the user teams menu, select the team you want and switch between your different teams whenever you want. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.